We have another listing guys, no? 7 hectares ni guys kana. Still located here in Barangay Banban, Bugo City, Cebu. Na siya, no? Bagong tina ba? Siguro kung i-develop kinato ni gamong subdivision, pwede man ito i-handos ding bukit pa ingon dire para papat. Wala gingon 7 hectares, 7 ka hektarya at 500 pesos per square meter. Mahal na gyud ning lugar guys. Dito gani tag 25. Kiniray barato. So nindot na investment kisa tong makakaya sa 7 hectares or 70,000 square meters. So nindot ta here in Bugo City. Okay kayo. So one nilabot kiri rang atbang. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title, and if you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. Then we have a website www.propertyph.net and ngcrealty.com.ph. Hapit na mahuman. So mas nindot na nga website guys. Okay? Again, thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.